All right, an actual short video. If you want to use a calculator on these, your handheld calculator is a little trickier for reciprocal functions, but Desmos and Google are both very useful, okay? So for these ones, let's start with Desmos and Google, and then I'll make a note about your calculator, because your calculator doesn't have a cosecant button. But if you want to use Desmos, if we want to look at the cosecant of 5 pi over 7, you just type it in like we've been doing before, okay? So you just go over here, cosecant. I did it before starting the video. Remember, pi automatically turns it to pi, 7, and then tab out to get out of the denominator. And you should have this, about 1.279. Okay. And you could also have used Google here. If we use Google, right, we would have, what is the cosecant of 5 pi over 7? It also give us 1.279 like so. But if you're using a handheld calculator, there's no cosecant on your handheld calculator, so you have to make sure it's in radians. And then what you would do is you would type in 1 divided by the sine of 5 pi over 7 if you're using a handheld calculator. Okay, so watch out for that. And we'll do the same thing over here with cotangent. Cotangent of negative pi over 8. Gonna get us over here. And we can use whichever one we want. Cotangent of negative pi over 8. Desmos says it's negative 2.414. Cotangent of negative pi over 8. Google says, hold on, positive 2.414. All right, so you might have to hit enter to get it from Google. Just watch out for that. Okay, cotangent negative pi over 8. Wait, did Google say it was positive? Hold on, now I'm losing my mind. Let's go over here. Of negative pi over 8. Oh, so it's giving us the wrong result. So be very careful with this, because this is linking to cotangent of positive pi over 8. That is really interesting. All right, but either way, we know it's negative, right? How do we know it's negative? Because negative pi over 8 is in the 4th quadrant. And all squids train camels. Tangent and cotangent should be negative in that 4th quadrant. Negative 2.414. So if Google doesn't immediately pop it out in the response, I think it's only cotangent that has this issue. Desmos is probably, or your handheld calculator is probably your best way to go. All right. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.